Hi guys, story time. So our lecturer was teaching us something today. He taught us about respect for autonomy and dignity. Yeah, then he started by teaching us about informed consent, which some of us know as HIPAA. HIPAA is Health, Insurance, and Portability and Accountability Act. Yeah. So he started telling us about patients' autonomy, informing patients, take consent from them before you carry out any procedure on them. Yeah, which is very, very important. So a 70-year-old man um, was brought for surgery. Yeah, they want to do a prostatectomy on him. Prostatectomy is like a surgery that won't do to remove prostate. Yeah. So but before then, they noticed that he was uncircumcised. Yeah, they didn't circumcise him. He's a 70-year-old man, remember, and they've not circumcised him first in his life. Like in his life, they've never ever circumcised him. So they decided to talk about it, deliberate among themselves. Although this patient was already unconscious because the surgery want to go on. You know, the surgeon, the assistant surgeon, the scrub nurse, the anesthesias, people they were there and they said deliberating. They didn't inform the patient, even the relative. So at the end of the day, they discussed and they were like, let them go on with this circumcision. They want to circumcise the man without telling him because during this surgery they have to pass catheter on him and all of that. So they go on and circumcise him, then did their surgery. It was perfect and nothing happened. So they have to move him to Paco. Paco is where patients are being moved after the surgery, like this post anesthesia care unit where they post patient, like they keep patient there for recovery before they take him to the ward. So the patient's being there at a point, he was unconscious after the whole thing. He started regaining consciousness and he started feeling pain. Then checked his private parts and all of that, and he started noticing pain on him. Like he noticed that he's kind of feeling pain. He checked the place and he noticed that he's circumcised. Guys, the man got angry. At a point, he fainted and he died. Yeah, he died. He died because they took him unawares. They didn't care to take informed consent from him. They didn't deem it fit to seek consent from him before circumcision. Some people, there are cultures that they hold dear to themselves, their values, their preference. There are things that, like, it's just them that you as a nurse, you as a doctor need to respect. Like, you need to be careful. Like, you tell this patient, are you this? That's why we're nurses, that's why we're health workers. We have to ask, take permission from them before we do any. When he died, the whole hospital was something else. You don't know what to do. Then the whole case started, the family, stuff like that. Although initially they didn't know what happened, but they started checking, digging, trying to know what really took this man's life. Imagine you were trying to save this man's life, and at the end of the day you took his life. So please, 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 new nurses, student nurses, my co-nurses, doctors, anesthesia, please, let's tell people, take permission before you carry any procedure. Tell them, seek permission, take consent from them before you do anything. Tell the relative, if you're unconscious, tell the relative, let the relative sign, because this could take your license away from you. Yeah, like when I was watching one TikTok post once at a time, I saw a new intake nurse that I don't know if they took her license from her or they disqualified. I don't know, but I heard that she was recording herself where she was serving drugs. For God's sake, that is against our rules and regulation. You don't have to show your patience to the world. Some people would want everything to be kept secret. Some people do not even want the world to know that they are sick. So why are you trying to show people your patience? Why are you trying to tell them, like, I don't know, but we shouldn't disrespect people's values. Please. Thank you. I love you. And follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.